Hi, it's your reporter Preeti here, and this video will help you understand the things about user friendliness and auditing websites, as we are auditing the Sakura's Japanese steak, seafood, and sushi's website. So, right off the bat, I can tell you that the site is missing a favicon, but which is an easy one because the website is on WordPress. And also, like, if you want to see, like, these are all the things that this website has. And the next thing I saw is that these are actually images. These should be headings like the Sakura time, and if we scroll down, then this menu, and for all sushi lovers, these are all the images. And like, let's get in touch, these are all images when they should be headings. So this is another thing. The next thing is that this is a link. Maybe this link got overshadowed by my image, but like, this is a link which goes to this website that that confirms basically that they are being chosen as the second best Asian restaurant in America. But if I go and click on this link, it's an error page. It's a 404 page. And so this I don't even know if this website exists or not. So like, yeah, this is something that can be improved. Like, you can just remove this link or like add a link that is working. But I get the appeal. I really like the thought behind it, because it will establish trust within the users that yes, you actually have this thing, right? Like, somebody has written there somewhere. So I think it's a good thing. The next thing is that there is no call to action. So like, if I went to this website, obviously I'm not in America right now, but like, if I were in any of the locations near this place, I would want to know, what do I do next? What should I do next? So there is no call to action for me. There is an online order button right here in the header, but it's not, it's far away. Like, it's not here, like in the hero section, and it should be here, right? Coming back to the home page again, when I scroll to the bottom, I see this link here, which is an email address for people to contact them about job opportunity. And there are actually two links in the single email address. So if I go and check on this, the first one is actually going to the correct address, which is the one that is intended. And the second is, the anchor text for the second one is the @ and this is the one, and it is going to a very weird address, like contact at website dot, I can't even pronounce it. So like .com/Sakura test backup. So it's not ideal, right? It's not very user friendly if you think about it. So after doing this, let's go to the next page, which is the menu page. And the menu page, again, this is an image, and this whole is an image, right? Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is an image, while it should be text. And let's look at some of these menus. So when I come to this menu page, I actually see a menu, but there are no prices, which I don't know about you, but I would love to see prices, especially on a menu. Or maybe that's an Indian thing, I don't know. But like, the main thing to say here is that these again, these are images. These are not text. And like, on this page, and this page, like every other page, these all are images. Don't believe me? Let me show you. So yeah, this is image, and it's not, like, it might be friendly for the user, but like, it's not very much friendly for the search engines, because they don't know what do you serve. So like, how would Google will be able to help users if Google doesn't even know what do you serve, what do you offer? Sorry about the camera situation. Okay, my webcam stopped working, so now I have switched cameras. The next thing that I noticed is that the menu, like the URLs. So this is a normal looking URL, right? It's like, it has the dashes, but like, if we go to another page, it has dashes, like underscores, and then dash, and then underscore. I'm like, what's going on? So like, these have underscores, and like, let's say if somebody ends up writing like this, they would go to a 404 page, which is not the best user experience. Okay, it goes to a 404 page. And like speaking of a 404 page, doesn't it look a bit inconsistent with the whole website? I can only, okay, it looks like there is a header, but like it's all white, you can't see it. So like if I do like this, then you can see the header, which is kind of weird. And also the other thing is that, again, like the whole design thing is very inconsistent, but also the links, these links are, some of these links are anchored, like the jump links, and which is not what you actually want, right? So if I go to this link, see, it's an anchor link, right? Again, if I go to the gallery link, where is it? Yeah, it's a gallery link, it's an anchor link. So where are we going in this page for our story? And look, okay, locations is working, okay. And also, like, coming to the location page, these are actually images. Again, like if I go to the menu page, this is an image, and if I go to locations, this is also an image, which is, I don't even understand why it's happening. So like, okay, this page has locations, it's good, it's great, but what I personally didn't like is the color thing. Like, you can't see any of these colors. These are like, yeah, this has very, it's like not visible, it's like almost gray, like blending into the whole website thing. So if I hover over this, then it will work. It's a minor thing, but like it is, because we are looking for user experience things, right? So it is a minor thing. The other thing that I didn't really understand is, like, if they actually have our story gallery and contact pages, why are they putting anchor links, like the jump links? Why are they doing that? So like if you see here, like, I'm not sure if you see this because my image is there, but like this is a jump link, this is also a jump link, and the contact is also a jump link. But if you actually see on the other pages, like the header is changing, okay, I don't even know why. So like on other pages, on pages other than the home page, these are actually pointing to the correct pages. So if you have these pages, why are you putting them as anchors here, like as jump links here? Also on 404 page, this can be improved, like you can actually link to the real pages instead of jump links. So now let's come to the coupon page. It's weird how it says promotion here and then coupon here, but it's okay. Okay, I'll not be too nitpicky about it. Again, this is an image and there are coupons related to different cities. These are cities, right? Okay, I double checked it. These all are cities. Don't come at me. So there is this printer button link or whatever. Others don't have this. Some have this. Like, if you see this, like some have this link and some don't. But what is behind this printer button? There's nothing. Like, you literally click it and it just closes. Okay, maybe I am wrong. Okay, if I click this again, it closes. It just closes. There's nothing here. So basically this page is empty, or I could be like, delusion is the solution. So there could be something like they have seasonal coupons going on, and they have not added any coupons here right now. So basically this is a soft 4 page in that situation. So there should be something done about this page, because it's empty. There's nothing to be seen here. And if it is a seasonal thing, then it's definitely a soft 404 page. So also let's talk about something basic. Okay, what's the most basic thing you can do, like just to check if all the http www versions are redirecting to the main version? So let's try this one. Okay, and it's not, apparently it's not. So the http version is a different one, and if we do http and then www, then it's again going to the HTTP page. So this is not good, because I'll show you, Google might have indexed the HTTP versions of the page, which is not the best in my opinion. So now let's be a little more technical. Okay, so let's go to the sitemaps and robots.txt. Okay, and here is robots.txt. Okay, and it's empty. It's literally empty. Why do you even have this page if this has to be empty anyway? So like, yeah, this is something. The other thing is the sitemap. Okay, it's going to the sitemap page, which is good. At least it's not empty. But like, if you see here, these are some weird pages. But like, this is the index page, right? Like the main pillar page, and here are all the URLs. Okay, so let's look at some of them. Okay, so they have the hello world page and basically other empty pages. All of these are empty. Okay, let's look at the second one. So this has this sample page. Don't even, oh damn. Okay, this is interesting. And then there are the main pages. Okay, contact menu and the different menu pages and the online order page. Okay, this one is the good one. And what else do we have? We have this one. This one has locations, which is interesting. Okay, let's go back. And it has taxonomies, categories. Okay, there are different categories. Let's look at them. These are basically empty. They don't even have blogs or something. So I don't even understand where are these coming from. But it's okay. It's okay. We'll have to be a little more delusional, I guess. And then there is one author page. Okay, so this is the one author page, which is this one, and it has a different email address than the website. So this is the sitemap, and I don't understand all the appeal of adding all of these random pages to the sitemap, because obviously Google will check these pages and maybe crawl them. So why are we even adding random pages to the sitemap? Speaking of sitemap, like not speaking of sitemap, let's do a site colon search. Okay, we're doing the search on the incognito mode because there were a lot of Chrome extensions going on. So what are we seeing here? Title tags are kind of weird, like they're not fixed. It's okay, it's not the primary thing that you may want to focus on, but it is something. Okay, and then there is this admin page, and then there is a webmail login page. I hope it is like I can see it here. Okay, this is like, this basically goes to the cPanel thing. And then there is like all these category pages that we just saw, this admin page, and then there's these random pages. Again, there's this webmail login, and like, what does this even mean? This is again something. So all of these pages are indexed, but like, let's look at it more from a more holistic perspective. Okay, let's do something different. Okay, based on the website, they sell Japanese steak and seafood. So one of their main keywords would be something related to Japanese steakhouse or something. Like, I don't know much about steaks. Okay, I'm a vegetarian person. Don't come at me. Japanese steakhouse. And let's do one of their locations. I can't even pronounce any of them. Okay, Laurel. Okay, let's do Laurel MD. Okay, so I'm seeing this one, Kabu. Is it called Kabu? Kabu Japanese Steakhouse. And then there is Sakura Japanese Steak, which is good. They are on a second position. And also on this, they have, damn, they have a competition. They are here, and then their second one, and then this, and then this, which is interesting. Okay, so let's check what Google knows about them. So like let's do Sakura Japanese steakhouse. I think it Google knows a lot about them. And they are old, okay? They are old. Okay, so I can see that there's like all these links, which is good. And also there are like things to know thing, which is damn, they're doing good. And also they have all these locations thing going on. They're on TripAdvisor, Yelp, and again on TripAdvisor. What's this? They have another website or something? It seems like they have a different website, right? Are they the same people? I hope so. If they are the same people, they have multiple websites going on, which is interesting. So yeah, I think these are all the things that I have seen in this website, and this this little this mini audit got a little too long, but I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I'll see you in the next one.